Everyone is chasing flashy AI startups. Robots. Driverless cars. Sci-fi futures. But the real money? It's not in the hype. It's being made quietly. With a boring, predictable AI business model. And in 2025, it's creating millionaires almost overnight. In this video, I'll break down exactly what this model is, why it works, and how you can use it to start your own business before the wave gets too big. Businesses spend billions every year on repetitive tasks. Think about customer support agents answering the same emails. Writers creating endless blog posts. Marketers designing social media ads. Researchers collecting boring data. These tasks cost companies a fortune in salaries. But here's the shift: AI can now do the exact same work. Faster. Cheaper. And often with fewer mistakes. That's the opportunity. Not building the next ChatGPT. Not raising millions from investors. But using tools that already exist. And selling the results to businesses that desperately need them. Here's the model. Step 1. Use white label AI tools. Examples include Jasper, Copy.ai, Midjourney, Canva AI, Descript, and Pictory. Step 2. Package them into a service. You don't sell the tool. You sell the outcome. For example, AI marketing agencies that create ads for local businesses. AI video production agencies that deliver YouTube content in days, not weeks. AI chatbot companies that handle customer service 24/7. Businesses don't want another tool to learn. They want time saved. They want customers served. They want more money. Let's look at real examples. Case study number 1. A small agency in the US uses ChatGPT and Canva AI to create marketing campaigns. They charge clients $2,000 per month. With 10 clients, that's $20,000 in revenue. And 80% of the work is automated with AI. Case study number 2. A freelancer on Fiverr uses Midjourney for design and Pictory for video ads. In just 6 months, he built a $10,000 per month income stream. He never learned Photoshop. He never learned Premiere Pro. AI did the heavy lifting. Case study number 3. A local entrepreneur sets up AI chatbots for restaurants and gyms. The bots answer questions, take reservations, and even upsell customers. He charges $500 per month per business. With 10 clients, that's $5,000 in recurring income. So how do you start? Step 1. Pick one simple service you understand. It could be ads. It could be blog content. It could be social media posts. Or customer service. Step 2. Use AI tools to automate at least 80% of the process. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to know how to prompt the tools. Step 3. Pitch businesses who already pay for these services manually. They're easy to find. Just look at local businesses advertising on Facebook. Or e-commerce stores running Instagram ads. Step 4. Once you land your first few clients, scale. Hire freelancers. Train them to use the same AI tools. Now your role becomes management, while AI and your team do the execution. This is not flashy. It's not glamorous. You won't see it trending on Twitter. But boring businesses make millionaires. And the entrepreneurs who quietly build these AI service companies in 2025 will own the future of automation. So the only question is, will you be one of them?